Greetings friends, I'm geofatboy. We're going to switch gears today. We're going to talk about something that we gents generally love, which would be tools. Like this. And you can't pick it up without doing this, right? There's no way. You got to do it. Anyway, we're going to talk about batteries. What I have here is a Milwaukee 18-volt drill. My favorite tools are Milwaukee. You may like DeWalt, Ryobi, Makita, whatever. This company, by the way, Vanon, V-A-N-O-N, they make replacement batteries for a lot of different brands of power tools and vacuums and other things like that. So check them out. I'm going to put links below this video so you can use my discount code, get a discount on all these products. This is the legit, genuine Milwaukee 18-volt battery. Let's take it off. Let's install the Vanon battery. Here it is. Sometimes these are difficult to get on and take off, these aftermarket batteries, but watch how easy this is. Very simple. And then just squeeze the tabs right here. 2 tabs in the front. Comes right off. It is easy. These go on real easy. Watch. That's it. Boom. And it's also got the power gauge right here that tells you how much life is left in the battery. Let's remove it. So this is 18 volt. Let's try a different tool. Let's try the leaf blower. Goes on nice and easy. Blowing everything around in this room right here. There you go. Battery works great. Lots of power, no problem. Let's see if we can get it off. Comes off easy. To install it, just drop it in. Give it a bang. To remove it, squeeze the 2 tabs. Comes right out, no problem. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is really cool. They also manufacture and sell these. This is a wall mount for your 18-volt Milwaukee tool. All you do is take it, mount it to the wall, and it fits right into the tool, like so. You can hang the tool on the wall like that for easy storage. Let's try it on the 18-volt drill. It hangs right on the wall like this. And then when you want to remove it, just pull up, comes right off. They also make replacement batteries for your 12-volt tools. Here's the legit original Milwaukee battery. Let's remove that. Just squeeze the tabs, pull it out. Here's an extended run 12-volt battery. Again, goes in super easy. Beautiful. This one has the battery gauge on the side. When you squeeze the trigger, it tells you how much battery life is left. 4 dots is high, 1 dot is low. Insert, remove. Nice and easy. Let's try this 12-volt extended run battery on the rotary tool. Just insert. Works like a charm. Again, your battery gauge is on the tool. To remove it, squeeze the tabs, comes right off. Insert. Nice and easy. Remove, comes right off. What I especially like about this one, it makes it stand up real nice. With the smaller battery, it doesn't like to stand up very well. It likes to tip over. With the larger base of the extended run battery, it stands up real nice. They also manufacture and sell direct replacement battery chargers for Milwaukee and other brands of tools. Let's try it. There you go, lights on. There it is, V-A-N-O-N. Click down below the video for the link to the products and my discount code. Thanks for watching Tool Time with geofatboy.